In this tutorial, I thought I would go through how to download an update from myprocat.com. In the past, I've done installing from the CD, but I haven't done an update, so it seems like a good time to go over that. So the first thing you want to do is go to myprocat.com. So I'm going to go into my browser. I have a shortcut or favorites up on my favorite bar that allows me to go directly to myprocat.com. So I'm going to go to sign in and then click on the resource center. Hopefully you already have your email address and password filled in. I put a check mark for remind me so I don't have to remember, and then sign in. I'm going to go down to my Winner XP room, or for voice users, my Winner VR room, and click on enter. In these rooms you will find the different downloads according to the type that we have for there. In this one we have a Winner V11.0.1.2 master installation. This you would use if you're going to install it on a brand new computer that's never had Winner on it and you need a master installation. Just so you know, this does not contain the tutorials. And then we have the Winner 11.0.1.2 update installation. This is just an update. It's not nearly as big as the master, and so it'll be a faster download. You click on the download button and it's going to start downloading. I'm using Google Chrome, so my little download area is here. Depending on what kind of browser you're using, it might put it up in the top left corner, or again like we're doing here. A lot of times when you're downloading, you can, when you're done with it, you can just double click on, or click on it and it'll start running. Or if you want to go to the folder where it's at, you can click on the little down arrow key and show in folder. I'm going to click on mine because I want mine to start right away. You will get this message that the publisher could not be verified. Do you want to run this software? And you're going to say run. And remember, always when you're downloading, you want to save it to your hard disk. You do not want to run it because you're running and trying to install at the same time. Another caveat to this, if during the download that you find that it's taking longer than 10 or 15 minutes, the download speed is too slow and it will probably fail during setup. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so I've already clicked on it, it's already started, and it wants to know what I want to do. It's welcoming me to the setup. I'm going to click on next. Here's the license. At the very end, if you decide to read, or somewhere in here it says you're going to send me $20. And then you're going to click next. The drive ID is the C drive, but that's not really going to change. You really want to keep it on the C drive. The user ID is made by the user. You get to decide what you want your password for Winner to be. So if you are installing an update on this computer, you want to use the password you have been using for Winner, and that's at the login screen. Whatever you have typed there, that's what you want to put here. Mine is V11 for version 11. Click next. It's going to say see Winner, where you want to install it to. This is the folder we want to install it to. Click next. It says it already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? Yes. If you don't have a desktop icon, you can add one. Even if you do have a desktop icon and you click on here, it's just going to overwrite the one that's there. They will behave exactly the same. And click next. So now it tells you all the things that you've decided you wanted to do, everything that we've said next to or check marked, and it's just giving you a review, and you're going to click on install. This is an update, so it will go a lot faster than a master, even though the masters aren't that slow. And we're just waiting. And now I can launch it. So I'm going to say finish. There's my password. And we're loading. And we're going to be in and keyless. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.